Alright, today I'm going to be making Sapporo Ichiban hot and spicy chicken flavored ramen noodles with egg and shrimp. Absolute goodness. Hope you like this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. And I'm going to pull out the seasonings. Okay, there's just one seasoning in here. It's just the soup base. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to the pot first and foremost. All right, so I'm going to add the flavoration to the pack. Whoa! All right, so I added it to the pot. A lot of flavoration going on. And I'm going to add next the egg. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and crack the egg open. Whoa! Egg drop soup. Almost. Not quite, but close enough. So I added the egg in there. So the egg is going to be cooking right nicely. Let me focus in on this so you can see this quite clearly. All right, let me focus in on absolute goodness. Look at that. Look at the egg. All right, it's in there, boiler rating, cooking nicely. Now, while that's cooking, it's starting to cook, I'm going to go ahead and add the block of ramen noodles in here. All right, so this is going to cook simultaneously. All right, it's going to cook simultaneously. The egg is in there. It's going to be cooking with the ramen noodles. And the reason why I put the egg in there first, the beginning, because the egg takes a little bit longer to cook than the ramen. I'm just trying to get the ramen noodles to al dente. So I have the egg in there. I'm just going to go ahead and let that cookerate in there. Absolute goodness. So go ahead and shift some of the egg yolk or whites to the side. Just like that. Absolute goodness. It's smelling great. Smelling good. Now while this is going on, I'm going to go ahead and prep work and get my shrimp ready. Absolute goodness. Alright. So I'm going to get my shrimp ready. I'm going to put a couple pieces of shrimp in here. Alright. But the shrimp cooks so fast that I want to cook it when the ramen noodles are almost to al dente. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cook it. Look at the ramen noodles are cooking perfectionally. All right, so I'm going to get this, even this out right here. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. So I'm going to separate the ramen noodles, make sure that they get into the water and the flavoration is permeating them all around. Absolute goodness. It's smelling great, smelling really good right now. If you want to, this is your opportunity to come up to the screen and smell what I'm cooking. All right, so the ramen noodles are almost to al dente, and so because of that, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the shrimp to the pot. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. So I have my shrimp. I'm going to put a few pieces of shrimp in here. All right. Just drop that on top right there. I'm going to put them on top to begin with, and then I'm going to stir them in. All right, so I have the shrimp on there. I'm just going to let the ramen noodles cook just slightly more. All right, so I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to let them cook slightly more, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir this. Get the shrimp down in the boiling hot water. Now, the shrimp cook fast, so I'm going to go ahead and take the ramen noodles and actually put them on top like this. Get them in there. The shrimp cook really fast. It doesn't take a lot to cook the shrimp all the way through. So that's the reason why I am putting them in right now. Because at the end, you have a lot of heat going on. The egg is already done. The ramen noodles are to al dente. All right, so I'm just going to let this cook just a little bit more. I'm going to check on the shrimp to make sure that they are being permeated with the water. That they are. They're almost done. Probably another 10 seconds in this boiling water. I'm going to get this thing set and ready to be poured inside of the bowl. All right. The shrimp should be done about by now. The egg is perfection. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to get my bowl. Put my bowl right here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and put the ramen noodle first in here. Put the ramen noodles in there. Look at that. All right, look at that. I'm going to focus in here so you can see this a little bit better. Before I put the egg and the shrimps in there, let me get a really good in here. Focus in on that. All right, so once that's in there, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shrimps. First off, no, I'm gonna put the egg in there first. The egg, the absolute goodness. Shoot. I'm gonna take the egg. I'm gonna go ahead and put the egg on there, on the side right there for decoration. And then I'm put some of the whites in there. Absolute goodness. Look at that. Now I'm gonna put some of the shrimp on there. Like this. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. So put the shrimp in there. Look at that. Smelling good, smelling great. Come up to the screen, smell this. I'm going to pour some of the broth in there because the broth really makes it nice. Look at that broth. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to cut the egg so you can see some of the yolk in the egg. I'm going to come up here. So let me take some of the egg. I'm going to zoom in close on the egg so you can see the egg a little bit. Let me get in that. Zoom in on the egg. All right, so I zoomed in on the egg, right? You see that? Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to cut the egg open so you can see the yolk. Look at that. Perfection. Look at that. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. Absolute goodness.